Hello, we are 4Kids8, and this is the Dimes to a Dollar quiz. All of the following coins will be dimes. How much money is this? This is 100 cents. How much money is this? This is 10 cents. How much money is this? This is 40 cents. How much money is this? This is 70 cents. How much money is this? This is 20 cents. How much money is this? This is 90 cents. How much money is this? This is 50 cents. How much money is this? This is 80 cents. How much money is this? This is 60 cents. How much money is this? This is 30 cents. Great job. Have a nice day.